Today's project is this old Daewoo Mini Excavator. It's a 1.5 ton sized machine. It's got a little 3-cylinder engine in it, diesel. The engine runs, but the machine won't come alive, so the hydraulics won't move. There's a bunch of safety switches underneath here. There's safety switches so that the machine won't operate it unless these arms are in the down position. So what I've come to, I've taken this apart already. Let me bring you around this side. If you look inside the machine here, right here there are 3 solenoids. I've disconnected them from the wiring harness. So basically what I'm trying to do here is bypass all of the safeties, which isn't exactly the right way to do this, but it'll test to see if the machine moves. So I'm going to disconnect all these wires. I'm going to put a power and ground on each of these, and then I'm going to fire the machine up, and then it should move. All right, if you can look here, I have a plug on each end, one for ground, one for positive on each wire. I have the 3 positives coming together into this clip and the 3 grounds coming together in this clip. This is merely temporary. What my plan is to do is to put an actual switch up on the control panel for this, but just to get this moving around temporarily, I'm just going to do it this way. I'll make it right later. So I'm going to take my green, which is my ground, I'm going to hook it onto the negative of the battery. And if I touch my positive, you should be able to hear the solenoids click, which I do. So I'm going to clip this on to the positive. I'm going to see if the battery's got enough juice to fire this machine up. Right now the machine is set up in the control pattern I dislike. I believe it's backhoe controls. I am trying to get the machine to go to excavator controls. If anybody knows how to do that on this machine, please let me know in the comments. I tried this lever here. I moved it both ways and nothing seems to work. It's stuck in the same control pattern. So if somebody has one of these machines that can let me know, that'd be great. Thanks. All right, so I got the machine loaded back onto the trailer. My little bypass trick seemed to work, so that'll have to get worked on later. Like I said earlier, if anybody knows how to switch the control patterns on this machine, it's a Daewoo Solar 015. I thought it was this control lever here, but I said earlier I tried it both ways. It doesn't seem to change anything. So if anybody knows, please let me know down in the comments. If you want to see more of this machine, also let me know, because it's not my machine, but I could certainly work on it if people are interested. All right, guys, I'll talk to you next time.